Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to stretch images and videos in CapCut PC. Let's get started! Step 1. First, open CapCut on your PC. Click on New Project and then import the image or video you want to stretch. Step 2. Now drag the media file down to the timeline so you can edit it. Step 3. Click the image or video on the timeline. In the preview window, click and drag the edges of the media to stretch it. You can also click and unlock the aspect ratio if needed to freely stretch width or height. Step 4. For more precise control, click on Crop button on the top of the image. There, you can adjust scale, width, and height manually. Step 5. Once you're happy with the stretch, click Export at the top right and save your video. And that's it! How you stretch images and videos in CapCut easily. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more updated tutorials. See you next time!